This isn't your average rearview mirror. It's the Brandmotion FullVUE AHD mirror vision system with adjustable snap-in cam. This system is designed to give you a crystal clear live streaming view of everything behind you, eliminating blind spots and giving you peace of mind. So even if you're hauling passengers or cargo that would block a traditional mirror, this system keeps your line of sight completely clear. And speaking of brightness, it has automatic brightness adjustment, which is super convenient, especially on those bright sunny days or dark nights. And it's got a full touchscreen, so tweaking the angle or adjusting the brightness couldn't be easier. Driving at night? No problem. This mirror has night mode to give you that same clear picture even in low light. And for extra peace of mind, it's got a built-in dash cam and DVR recording. And don't worry if you're a fan of the classic mirror. All it takes is one touch to switch it over to standard mode. It's a 2-channel DVR with a front-facing camera, so you're covered both in the front and the back. And it comes with a G-Shock sensor that kicks in to record automatically if you have to take evasive action or if there's an impact. The FullVUE even includes a 32GB SD card, so you're ready to start recording right out of the box. So if you're looking for a smart, safe, and super clear solution for your rear view, the Brandmotion FullVUE AHD mirror vision system is exactly what you're looking for. It's all about visibility and safety, and with features like anti-glare tempered glass, park mode, and G-sensor recording, this thing is up for anything. If you want to know more, check out brandmotion.com.